Hey guys, I thought I'd do a little hair before and after. I've just worked out and my hair is due a wash, and I was going to show you a mask that I've been using. So my hair has been really dry, and obviously my colour is growing out, but I've got coloured hair, it's quite dry, and not been to the salon the same as everyone else for quite some time, so I've been really enjoying this hair mask. This is from Give Me, and it's the argan oil and coconut oil hair mask. It smells beautiful. So the mask takes 15 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair, and then I'm going to come back and apply the mask with you guys. So I have washed my hair and towel dried it, and I'm going to apply my mask from root to tip. So I'm going to take about that much, and I'm going to start applying this. And take a little more. Make sure all the hair's covered, and then I like to kind of massage it into my scalp as well. And then as a final step, I'm going to take this little brush, which is also from Give Me Cosmetics, and I'm just going to brush it through to make sure that it's evenly spread. And then I'm going to leave the mask on for the suggested 15 minutes. So my hair is all dry now, it smells amazing, and it is so silky. It's got a lovely shine to it. I'll show you the back because you can't really see, but look how silky and smooth that is. So guys, that is my little before and after using the Give Me hair mask by Give Me Cosmetics, and for a 15-minute treatment to get them results, I am very impressed.